How to convert an Excel file to CSV in Microsoft Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow up to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by basically opening up the Excel file that we would like to save it as. And once we've opened it up, we can go to the file option in the top left. After that, click on the option called Save As. Once you've done so, you can select up the location where you would like to add it. And there what you can do is you can select this Save As type here, select it, and here we'll be finding different options. We need to click on this option right here, CSV, the one that you prefer, and go ahead and select it. So we have different CSV, we have comma deleted and others one. You can select this one right here. And there we go. Now click on save. And now your file is converted into CSV. Another method we can do is we can go to the file option and look out for the option called export. So here, look out for export and click on it. Once we have done that, click on this option called change file type. After that, we can select the option here for CSV, this one right here, comma delimited. After that, click on this option called save as and go ahead and confirm it up and save it into the location where you would like to add. And that should basically do it. And only one sheet is saved. CSV saves the active sheet only. Formatting is removed and only raw data remains when you do so. So choose CSV UTF if you have special text, and that way you should be able to do it. So that's it everybody. You may follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.